What is up, everyone? Today is Tuesday, October 14th. I'm be running a trade recap on how I made $4,050 today. Ended up taking a quick little short, banking around $675 per account on 6 accounts. Let me show you the trade I took. Overall, today, honestly, pretty like weird day. Coming into the morning, we were closer to this bearish 4 hour. I wanted market open to trade into it and then dump off open. We ended up actually just filling new week opening gap on both NQ and ES, and then rallying back up. The short I took was just a little mech model to this unfilled 15 minute. I got a 1-to-1 risk to reward, nothing crazy, but overall, happy with this trade. First trade of the week. Did not trade yesterday. So we had a SMT with London highs as well as the 4 hour fair value gap right before 11 a.m. Eastern. We had this unfilled 15 minute fair value gap as well as this one. On the 5 minute, nothing much. We traded into this 5 minute, rebalanced it, but I didn't care about that because we already traded away from that. Put in this, reswept this high, made this big wick, and then my entry was this 1 minute inverse. I did wait to get a little better fill and just kind of see how price action was moving, but this was the inversion. All right, that's the fair value gap that got inverse on this huge 1 minute candle. My entry was pretty much, I saw us trade into this 1 minute fair value gap, and then after this candle closed, that was my entry. Stop loss at the SMT high, the SMT with London highs. And my TP was just a 1-to-1 since I got less than a 1-to-1 to the 15 minute. So it was just a few points below that. 76. All right. That was the trade. And then we ended up putting in an SMT with the 15 minute and then ended up trading to London high. And now we're pumping as well. I did want to take longs out of the 15 minute after my short hit TP, but I didn't get a good entry. I don't want to risk, like, the stop loss was huge on the trade. I'll show you. So we traded into the 15 minute and then this 2 minute. There were a couple of reasons I didn't like it. First of all, it's a tiny 2 minute and we ended up holding this for like 4 candles, so quite a long time. Honestly, I want to see the fair value gaps, especially tiny ones like that, get inversed quickly, but it didn't happen this time. And then we got a really strong close, and then the stops at the SMT low would have been just crazy. And then if I was just targeting London high, wouldn't even get a 1-to-1. I was waiting to get tapped in, but we just ended up running to London high before giving me an entry. Unfortunate, but it is what it is. Happy with my 1-to-1 short. Overall, today we had a couple nice setups. Not the most textbook price action, but overall clean price action, I would say. Hopefully the rest of this week is good. I know we have Powell speaking later today in the afternoon. Not too many other news for the rest of the week. I do believe we have something on like Friday, but not too sure. Hope you guys have a good rest of your day. That's going to be it for me today. Peace out, boys.